In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the installation of the ENO duomount set. Start by installing the wall bracket ENO duomount. The standard height is between 100 and 110 centimeters from the floor, measured from the center of the wall bracket. Use the 3 pill-shaped holes to mark the drilling points, then drill the holes. Make sure the wall bracket ENO duomount is leveled and there's at least 30 centimeters of free space around the ENO duomount. Feed the cables through the center opening and securely fix the wall bracket using the provided plugs and screws. Partially insert the 2 bottom M6 screws, leaving about 5 millimeters of space. Remove the cable block inside the ENO duomount to make cable feeding easier later. Align the ENO duomount niche with the wall bracket and carefully slide it into place. Secure the ENO duomount to the bracket using the 3 provided screws. Feed the power and Ethernet cables through the cable block, then remount it in the correct orientation depending on your cable entry direction. Fix the cables under the retention clamps and secure the tensile protection bridge on the outer insulation. Then, strip the outer insulation and connect each wire to the correct terminal slot. Follow the IEC 60445 standard, connect PE, N, L3, L2, and L1 as indicated. Feed the cables through the front cover and position it on the ENO duomount unit. Connect any optional cables for accessories or payment terminals. Secure the front plate with the 13 Torx screws, starting from the middle and working outward to ensure proper sealing. Open the boxes of the 2 ENO ones that are included in the ENO duomount set. Mount the lower cable block, feed the cables through the openings, and secure it using the provided screws. Slide the chargers onto the ENO duomount and connect the cables. Attach the front covers and secure them. If required, attach the identification sticker with the letter C to complete the installation. Your ENO duomount set installation is now complete. Thank you for choosing Enovates.